are hereby perturbed, and deeply so, at the fact that Senator Omo Agege concealed all this information from the Independent National Electoral Commission. First, he was allowed to participate in the general elections, contrary to the provisions of the Constitution, and which elections produced him as senator representing Delta Central Senatorial District in the Nigerian Senate. In violation of the Senate rules, he also concealed the said information from the Nigerian Senate, thereby paving way for the denigration of the image and esteem of the Nigerian Senate before the international body of legislators.
Following allegations leveled against Deputy Senate President Omo Agege that he committed an act of forgery and felony in the United States of America, an Abuja High Court has dismissed the suit challenging his suitability for the position of Deputy Senate President. Presiding Judge Justice Othman Musa in his ruling said Omo Agege was never convicted in the county of Los Angeles, USA as claimed. The judge awarded 1 million naira as damages against the claimant for filing a frivolous suit lacking merit.
This was a case of wish hunting, and that it will amount to nothing because every time the man wants to contest for a public office, the matter will always come up. But we are happy with the judgment because it has rested all issues surrounding it. We have always said he was never a convict or ex-convict, and he was not under any obligation to declare what he was never convicted of.
The petitioner, Incorporated Trustees of Patriotic Youth Organization of Nigeria, filed the suit on the grounds that Omo Agege was not eligible to contest because he was an ex-convict. But the court ruled that Omo Agege's case in the state of California was a disciplinary matter which was appealed and won in the Supreme Court, and the defendant was not obliged to tell an INEC about it. The presiding judge also held that the defendant was not under any indictment and the evidence brought forth by the claimant were mere internet publication lacking local standing.
There was nothing in existence to show that he was ever convicted. So there was no lie, there was no perjury, there was no misinformation or distortion of any fact. So the court looked at it and said they were satisfied that that was the position of the law. They were never convicted. We never stood for any convictions or lied on any oath as presented by the claimant. So the matter was, the case was dismissed.
It will be recalled that a senator representing Delta Central was alleged to have masterminded the maize theft in the 8th Senate and was suspended. But the Federal High Court overruled the suspension. While referring to the case, Justice Musa said the suspension melted to Omo Agege does not amount to an indictment. Speaking with newsmen after the ruling, counsel to the petitioner revealed that the judgment will be appealed.
We'll try to get a copy of the judgment. We'll study it, of course, and advise our client accordingly. This is just the first round. We have 2 more courts to go.